All right, guys, welcome back to my estate. This is incredible results that just happened on Friday in estate, which we used to close this week anyway. I know that we are about to start new week, and probably this video is coming a little bit one day in between late. I'm supposed to have recorded this video on Friday night, but I have been busy, so my apologies for that. But the good news is we were able to make up to 7.83% on Friday, June 26th only. Not even Thursday, not even Wednesday, not even Tuesday, not even Monday, right? This is only Friday. So we closed down the week on Friday with up to 7.83%. Now, this 7.83% profit is only conditional, and I will show you why it is conditional, right? Because it's not everybody that will be able to make this 7.83% in estate. But if you do have a piece of property across all the properties they have, then you are sure to hit this 7.83% only on Friday. All right. So let me quickly share the profit for on Friday across all the properties that we have, right? So if you take a look at the screen here, you will notice right away that the apartments in Miami, the apartment in Seattle, the lake house, the house, the desert villa, the villa in LA, the villa in Mao, the commerce, the sunset, the business, land plot development, and business development, all of them added together has made up to 7.83%. Okay, so if you pick up your calculator, right, you are watching this video right now, pick up a separate phone that has a calculator. Okay, if you have two phones, right, keep this on your screen, keep it steady on your screen. Use second phone to add all of these percentages. Okay, you will notice that it will come up to 7.83%. Okay, but I don't want to bother you with second phone if you don't have a second phone, right? I have already done the calculation for you, right? So I use my calculator basically to add this. Anybody can do this, right? And you can see the calculation here. It has been added up to 7.83%. Now remember, this is only on Friday. This is not even Thursday. It's not even Wednesday. It's not even Tuesday. It's not even Monday, right? So we ended the Friday this weekend, okay? Beginning this weekend with a whopping 7.83% from across the whole properties that we have in estate, which is this that you are looking at. Now, for those that have not registered, you didn't miss any of this because you are not in estate yet. Okay, so therefore the best advice and recommendation is for you to check the video description below, okay, to grab the link for you to register, complete your KYC, deposit money, and purchase at least one or two of these properties, right? Don't worry how you are going to purchase the property because I have recorded a video telling you how to do it. In fact, showing you how to do it in the back office, right? So just pick up the link, register, and then pick up the second link that says how to complete your KYC. And then after that, pick up the third link that says how to deposit and purchase your property. That's all you need to do, right? The videos are less than 5 minutes. Watch them very quickly, follow the instructions, and then boom, you are in, right? You can purchase one or two of these properties. If you have the money to purchase a piece of each of these properties, that is even better, right? So don't miss out on this because this is happening like every day, every week, Monday to Friday, and you don't want to miss out on this. Don't get me wrong, we don't have 7.83% on a daily basis. This figure that you are looking at, this profit percentage fluctuate. Sometimes it's 6 point something, sometimes it's 8 point something, sometimes it's 5 point something, right? But for this Friday, this past Friday, only 26th of June, we made about this profit. If on that condition that you have purchased all of these properties. So you must own a fraction of each of these properties. That is the condition for you to get up to 7.8%. But if you don't own a fraction of each of these listed property, let's say you own from apartment to like Villa Mao, so you calculate from there to Villa Mao, that will be your percentage for Friday. All right, so don't get the calculation wrong and don't say I did not make up to 7.8% because the condition is only if you have a fraction of each of these listed properties. If you do not have all the properties, then calculate up to the properties that you have, all right, purchased. So yeah, I don't want to make this video any longer than this. I just want to share this great result, from eEstate to everybody. Now remember, eEstate is one of the best platforms, right? The most reliable platform. I have been in this business, in this platform for almost 1 year. Okay, I started around July last year. Next month is going to be July, so it's going to make me 1 year in eEstate, and they have never failed when you click to withdraw, because the major problem that most of these platforms are having is the ability to process your withdrawal, which is your profit, when you want to withdraw them. But eEstate has never failed since I joined. Even their website have never glitched. You know how you want to log in into a platform and you see error 403 or error 503 or whatever. It has never happened in eEstate. That is how solid the platform is, right? So if you are with me in any other project, but you are not in eEstate with me, then please reconsider to join eEstate, because it's one of the most reliable platform as I speak with you right now. The link to join is below this video description. Thank you and God bless.